Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to completely appear offline on your PlayStation 4 so your friends don't see you log in or what games you're playing. So I'm going to go to the power options right here, and then I'm going to go to switch users. And what you want to do to log in offline is go over your profile, press options on it, and it will give you the option to log in with the online status set to appear offline. So let's go to appear offline and log in. And players will not see us log in at all. So let's enter in my password. Now, if we go up to our profile icon, we can see that I'm appearing offline. So here's my profile. No one saw me log in. Now we can go to the section on our profile and change the online status at any point in time. So it says set online status right here, and it's already set to appear offline. So if you want to appear offline and not have your friends see you, go to this section and set it right here. Now under your profile, your friends could see the trophies or the activities you're doing too. So if you're playing a game and you unlock a trophy or you just played, they can see how long ago it actually was. So it doesn't show on the PlayStation 4 version. On the PlayStation 5 version it does. But what you might want to do is go up to settings right here and select this. Then go to account management. Then go to privacy settings. And you might have to type in your password to verify your account. Now under here, let's go on down to personal info messaging, and then select this, and then go on down to online status and now playing. Now there's only 3 different options under here. Choose who can see if you're online and what game you're playing. We have anyone, friends of friends, and friends only. Now we can back out of here, then go to gaming and media on the top, and then go to gaming history, and it says anyone. Choose who can see your games and trophies. So if you were playing a game like 10 minutes ago, well, your friends can go to your profile and they can see that. So you might want to go to no one or friends only under here so your friends can't see that you're playing games. Then you can go to this section, hidden games. So if you don't want your friends ever seeing you play like Minecraft or something like that, we can go to hidden games. Then we can go to hidden games for PS4, and we can choose the game to hide from our profile. So here's Minecraft. We don't want our friends to see us playing Minecraft at all. We can go to this game and then go to confirm. And that won't show up on your profile anymore now. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.